The name Industry 4.0 explains itself. We are facing almost revolutionary change in the industry. All big trends in the automotive industry are already driven by or are driving digitalization. Our goal is to be the leading and most innovative automotive manufacturer in the world with respect to digital technologies as well, and to achieve the digitalization of the entire value chain from design and development through production, where the term originates, and up to sales and service. The potential of the digital revolution is massive. If people, machines and industrial processes can connect intelligently, individual products can be created to a higher level of quality and more quickly. Production and manufacturing costs can be structured competitively. We are striving toward a smart factory that offers high level of adaptability, resource efficiency and ergonomics. And when it comes to digital technologies, we want to be the world's leading and most innovative automotive manufacturer. In intelligent production, the adaptable manufacturing system will play a key role and will require innovative work models as how people and robots work together. Today, an assembly step is generally performed either by employees or by robots, which are placed behind protective fences for safety reasons and can be used in other areas in production only with a great deal of work effort. In the future, we will use real cooperation between robots and people, but with people always in control. The direct cooperation between people and robots enables combining the cognitive superiority of people with the power, endurance and reliability of robots most optimally. Industry 4.0 offers many chances, not only for the company as a whole, but also and particularly for our employees. They are the main focus. People's experiences, creativity and flexibility will still be indispensable in many areas of automotive production. The factory of the future will in no way be without people. On the contrary, we will expect that there will be new tasks and profiles for our employees and also new products for our customers.
The Smart Factory provides the core platform for the digitalization of the entire company. With the Smart Factory, production is able to react even more rapidly to global market fluctuation as well as respond to more specific customer demand. It requires a broad-based digital process chain from development to production. We are already in a position to perform digital simulation of the manufacturing process from the press shop to the final assembly. In this way, for example, it can be checked in the virtual assembly where the economics of the plant workers are optimal long before the series start up. And when the production is launched, we will continue the digital documents of the real factory in the next step. In the future, an image of the real factory will be maintained in real time as a digital twin. A requirement for a 316-degree connected production system is that all machines speak the same language. That is why we are using the control software Integra at Mercedes-Benz worldwide and on a uniform basis. Sensors and machines communicate via Integra in the same way as production management and all suppliers and systems partners. Driverless transport systems enable the optimization of many international plant processes, for example, the supply of the workstations with the required parts. We are already using fully automated driverless order pickers in production. They provide that employees with a prepared basket which is delivered just in time and exactly fits the current assembly order. The advantage are better ergonomics at workplace, shorter walking distance and higher quality, and lower accident risk.
In the assembling planning, we are starting with a virtual planning phase. Then we go into the physical realization. With Aura or augmented reality apps, we meld both worlds. And this is what it looks like. To melt both worlds, we need a registration between physical and virtual world. To get this registration, the user has to load virtual parts that he sees in the real world and place it similar to the real parts, just like this. And as you can see right now, it snaps automatically into its position, and from now on we have a registration between both worlds. And now we can switch between them, for example, for analysis aspects like this.
Integra Portal has access to all the production equipment from Mercedes-Benz plants around the world. We are able from Europe to support colleagues, for example in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. If there is a problem in the equipment, we can support with experts from Germany. This screen shows the overview about a body shop in Tuscaloosa. We identified one issue with a production line at the rear door, and now we go deeper and make the diagnostic about the failure in this line. This screen shows the overview about this production line. We identified a failure at this point. Due to our seamless communication, we identified an issue with this module in Tuscaloosa. Integra Portal gives us the opportunity to support people around the world with experts from Germany.
Here we have the digital process chain for the powertrain. So we simulate the core shooting process for the sand cores. We need the sand cores for the water cooling system in the cylinder heads. So this is simulated and optimized in the whole simulation before the first hardware is coming. So also the cast process is simulated, the whole process there with the cooling down system and everything what belongs to that part. So the raw part getting ready part for the machining part. So there's the simulation first. Also, we have the tooling, we have the whole machining system that's simulated. All the time system belongs to that part. So the whole process is in a simulation, and the whole program goes right into the machine for the machining part for the ready parts. Also, the assembly of the engine is simulated, also the complete process with the right parts in the right row, and the ergonomical types of the employees with assembly is also simulated before we get to the first parts in the assembly line.